I am the district attorney. I'm the elected district attorney for this district, and this district is basically Buncombe County. It's the county and all municipalities within it, so that includes Asheville, Weaverville, Black Mountain, Woodfin, Biltmore Forest, and basically everything within the borders of the county. I am one of 44 district attorneys that's charged with the enforcement or the prosecution of the state laws in court. In other words, the state is broken into 44 separate districts. We represent the state in everything from speeding tickets to some of the worst cases that we see in court, such as homicides and rape and robberies. But by and large, the office processes tens of thousands of cases every year on behalf of the people of Buncombe County in the state of North Carolina. When you're a victim of crime, you start with law enforcement. So you're going to utilize your ordinary means of emergency communication. Dial 911, call the Buncombe County Sheriff's Department, cooperate with law enforcement, cooperate with the Asheville Police Department, Weaverville Police Department, whomever. But once charges are filed, we're going to look back to see what kind of case we actually have. So your cooperation, your immediate reporting of that traumatic event, of the violence that you suffered, is critical for us to have a good, solid case to take into court and prosecute and get justice. We enforce the law regardless of immigration status. In terms of who the victim is, we don't look behind those facts. So victims who have suffered, whether it be a simple assault, a strangulation, or something more serious such as a rape, should not fear for a moment that the district attorney's office is going to pull some immigration records or look into the immigration status and make a determination as to whether or not we're going to prosecute the case based on facts that are irrelevant to the crime. You know, my office, as a rule, we have no objection to the grant of a U visa after we've prosecuted the case, and we don't go back and we don't grade the quality of participation that the victim has given us. We only expect that the victim cooperate with us and stay with us, respond to subpoenas, be available should they need to testify, that kind of thing. If for whatever reason we get a not guilty, the case doesn't work out in the way that the victim would have liked or the state would have liked, my office would have liked, that's not always under the victim's control. But we still grant. We still issue. We still don't object to the visa, the grant of the visa, once we have that cooperation. The administrative office of the courts maintains a full roster of translators and interpreters for just about every language that we have to deal with. We do our level best to make all victims and participants in the court process as comfortable as possible. We strive to do that on a daily basis, to look at what the facts are in the cases that we're prosecuting, to look at the risk to the community, the risk to the victim, and our goal is to try to enforce the law and keep the community as safe as we possibly can.